In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture to a question in Typeform. Let's start right at your computer. Open your browser on your PC and head to typeform.com. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access your forms and make edits. After logging in, open the specific form you want to work on. This takes you into the editor where you can see your questions and the settings for each one. Next, click on the question where you want to add a picture. This could be a multiple choice, a short text, or another type. Images help in all kinds of formats by adding clarity and visual interest. Once the question is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. You'll see a media section labeled Image or Video. Click the plus sign beside that to add new media to your question. When the options appear, choose how you want to bring in your image. If you already have a picture saved on your computer, click Upload and select it from your files. This is ideal when you're using brand assets, product photos, or any custom graphic. If you don't have a file handy, click Image to search for free photos. Type a keyword like coffee, teamwork, or nature, and browse the results until you find something that fits your question. Either way, once you confirm your choice, the image will be inserted right into the question. You'll notice the image appear either above your question text or next to it, depending on the layout and the question type. That's normal and is designed to keep your form clean and easy to read. Take a moment to check that the picture supports the question and doesn't distract from the answers. A simple, high-quality image usually works best. If the file you uploaded looks blurry, try a higher resolution version. And if the image looks too busy, consider a cleaner alternative to keep your respondents focused. A quick tip: keep images consistent in style across your form for a more professional feel. Also, try to choose visuals that reinforce the meaning of the question. For example, a product close-up for a product feedback question, or a calm background image for a satisfaction rating. If you ever want to change the image, you can return to the same media panel and update it. That's it. Your question will now display the picture to respondents exactly as you see it in the editor, helping you capture attention and provide helpful context while they complete your form.